My name is Vijay Shah. I'm an assistant professor with EC department at NC State. I serve as the director for NextG Wireless Lab, where we focus on experimental wireless research, particularly the 5G, 6G Open RAN. NextG Wireless Lab is a research group that we formed together to advance NextG Wireless network. So a big part of this lab is Open RAN research or AI native Open RAN research. So within Open RAN, we have built a number of applications called RFs, XFs. So one of the areas that we have been working on is called positioning and sensing. We want to harness this 5G wireless signal to locate a phone or a user or a firefighter within a building when none of the other positioning system work, like GPS doesn't work within a building. How do you locate a firefighter so that you can save lives, not just of the victim, but also for the firefighters? So here we are trying to create a private 5G network. So one of these STR is acting as a base station, a couple of them as users or a phone. So this one is actually a commercial base station. And then the idea is that we're trying to locate one of these phones using signal coming from these multiple TRPs, using that RU as a single base station. Let me quote Nikola Tesla actually. He said that when wireless is perfectly aligned, then the whole world is going to act like a brain. So with 4G and 5G, we are kind of getting there, but there's so much more to be done. I tell this to my students all the time, that this is probably the best years of your life. So make sure that you have a lot of fun, and while doing some really interesting research work that's going to change the world.